Two people, same world, same opportunities, but completely different results. Why? The poor mindset focuses on problems, always worried, always stressed, always thinking money is not enough, but the rich mindset focuses on solutions. They plan, they set goals, and they take control. Poor mindset seeks comfort. Endless scrolling, watching, escaping reality instead of improving it. Rich mindset seeks growth, learning new skills, reading, improving every single day. Poor mindset spends first, thinking I'll save later, but later never comes. Rich mindset invests first, even small amounts, because they understand long-term growth. Poor mindset wastes time and doesn't realize time is money. Rich mindset values time. They work, build, and create opportunities over time. These small choices create a huge gap between the two. Wealth is not built overnight. It's built through discipline, habits, and consistent action. So the question is, which mindset will you choose?